Hey everybody, today I wanted to show you I have a pair of the CTA 7878, which is, they call them Parrot nose pliers or sway bar link end pliers. They're designed to help you get these off. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put a wrench on the nut and then take an Allen and put it in the center and hold it while you turn it. Well, the problem with that is usually the Allen is all rusted out and messed up and you can't get it apart. Now this car's got 150,000 miles on it. It's not too crusty, but what you do is you want to make sure you put these in the right, going the right way. I've marked mine with an arrow so I know which way to go. So we're going to be taking the nut this way. So these teeth are designed to grab a certain way. So you want to be sure you put the pliers in this position. So you're going to come in and you're going to lock them in till they're tight. That's tight. Oh, this one's already loose. I didn't even loosen this one. And then you can come in with your proper size socket. And then you can just impact it off. So you can see how it grabs, that you want it to be, those grab in a certain way for counterclockwise rotation. I didn't even loosen this one up. This one was already loose, but you heard how the impact had to hit it to get it to come loose. These are very handy pliers. I would highly recommend getting them if you do a lot of sway bar link pins. They really made a difference. I have stripped a pair out, but I think the reason why I stripped them out is because I didn't have them going in the right direction. So you want to make sure they go in the right directions. So these are CTA 7878s. Other manufacturers also make them, but they are a very handy tool for doing sway bar link pins. All right, everybody, just a real quick one. Just wanted to show you. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos. Don't forget to go check me out on Instagram. And we're also working on the '65 Mustang Rustang. Go check those videos out also.